Hi guys, good morning. This is Gautam from the Department of Commerce with Capital Application. In today's class, let us going to see the subject name is Cyber Law and Data Protection. In that, we are going to see about the unit number 1. So these are the contents going to cover. The first content is meaning of cyber law. Second one is needs of cyber law, and third one is scope of cyber law. Okay, let us going to discuss with the meaning of cyber law. What is the cyber law? It's a meaning. The cyber law refers to the set of rules and regulations that govern activities conducted through computers or digital devices, network and throughout the internet. So it deals with legal issues arising from the uses of information technology. We know that the cyber laws, what do you mean cyber law in the sense? You should be conducting the rules and regulations of framing a network. It's a law worldwide network. Here in simple words we can say that cyber law is the law that controls and regulates activities in cyberspace. So it should control the activities and regulates in the cyberspace. And what do we mean cyberspace is? So cyberspace is the virtual environment created by interconnected networks. So where communication and business transaction and information sharing that takes place. So this is the meaning for cyberspace. Let us going to see what are the examples given for cyber law. Okay. So how the cyber law should be taken over the place. So some of the examples are throughout the online banking. If you are sending wrongly money to the bank or anything else, so it should be happening. So according occasionally. The second one is e-commerce transaction. So e-commerce transaction is nothing but at the time of we are purchasing through e-commerce platforms like Flipkart, Amazon or anything else. So at the time it should be take over. And then third one is email communication. So through email communication, the cyber law and the cyber hacking should be take over place. The mail will be sent as a spam mail or phishing mail. The virus should be attacked by all over the mail and the data should be erased. And then fourth one is social media usage. At the time we are using day by day social media. So as well as the social media also comes under the cyber activities. And then fourth one is digital signatures. So these are the things if we are giving for example for cyber law. Okay. Next topic is going to share about needs of cyber law. So what are the needs if we are going to cover for the cyber law? The first one is product users from cyber crime. The first thing. The second one is provide legal validity to electronic transactions, and third one is ensure privacy and security. And then fourth one is promote trust in digital commerce, and then fifth one is support the growth of e-governance and digital economy. So these are the things, these are the needs, how the users will protect the data and providing the privacy and security as well as to the all over the network. So these are the needs, and let us go to share the last topic about scope of cyber law. Scope, the first one is what are the areas that cover under cyber law is. So the first one is cyber crime. So cyber crime is nothing but illegal activities committed using computer or networks. If you can take as examples like hacking, if you are identifying the theft throughout the data, and then fourth one is phishing, like data theft. So these are the things comes under cyber crimes. The second one is electronic commerce. So electronic commerce means that should be happens throughout the online transactions like buying and selling. So if we can take it as example is Amazon, Flipkart, and as well as online payment schemes like that. Then third thing is digital signatures and electronic records. What do you mean by that is recognition and authentication of digital documents like that. The fourth one is IPR. The IPR is nothing but it should be intellectual property rights. For how it should be product from software, copyrights, trademarks, patents, etc. The next one is data protection and privacy. Here data, how we are give more importance for data protection and privacy means if you are safeguarding personal and confidential information from the data. The next one is online contracts. So it should be validity of agreements made through electronic means, and then cyber security, protection against unauthorized access and cyber attacks. So these are the things comes under the scope of cyber law. Okay, we have understood about what are the meaning of cyber law as well as needs and as well as scope. So these are the things has been covered at the panel of cyber law and storage. Okay, let's be go grocery with the things. The first one is we know well versed in about the meaning. So the meaning of cyber law we have given a quote out here that it should be done according to the rules and regulations of throughout the networks, and as well as scope, so need that should be protecting users from securing data and privacy from the users throughout the world, right? And then scope